How to fix Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after update. Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll explain how to fix the issue of Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after a recent update. If you're encountering the problem where Wi-Fi isn't appearing in the bottom right corner and even in the Windows 11 settings, I'll share 4 simple steps to solve this. First, close everything and click on the Windows search. Type Services and select the Services app from the app suggestions. In the Services box, find a service called WAN Auto Config. Double-click on it and ensure the startup type is set to automatic and the status is running. Click Apply and then OK and close it. Next, right-click on the Windows icon, then select Device Manager. In the Device Manager, find Network Adapters, double-click on it, and look for the Wi-Fi driver, Intel or TP link. If not found, click on the View, then Show Hidden Devices. If still not found, click on any adapter, select Action, and then scan for hardware changes. Once you find the Wi-Fi adapter, right-click on it and choose the Update Driver option. Click Search automatically for drivers, and if updates are available, it will automatically update. If not, right-click on the Wi-Fi adapter, then click Uninstall Device. Restart your computer, and after the restart, open the File Explorer, click on this PC, then double-click on the C drive, navigate to the Windows folder, and find the Software Distribution folder. Select all the files, right-click, and choose Delete. Check the box and click Skip once deleted. Next, power flash your computer by turning it off, removing all the cables and external devices, then pressing and holding the power button for 25 to 30 seconds. Reconnect everything and start your computer. If you're on laptop, do the same, then restart. After completing these steps, check the network icon and you should see the Wi-Fi option. Hopefully this video helps you to fix this issue. This is how you can fix the Wi-Fi not showing in Windows 11 after the update. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye!